Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight.
Ooh, asante.
This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. And as you know, guys, our Jamaican sister actually have the apartment already. So we're actually going there now, family, to actually, clean. To actually do the cleaning so we can accept our furniture for tomorrow, family. So that's what we're doing right now. We're actually going there with our house manager, and Miss Jam Tour is gonna do the cleaning. So I'm gonna bring this pram so I can hold Amesh while they'll be doing the cleaning. So let's go. Yeah, family. So as I said before, we're actually going to the apartment now to do the cleaning. And family, we just want to actually pay it forward, and for you guys to know that when you come to Kenya, especially Kenya, or even Ghana, family, we can actually guide you on the right path and how to get your things set up and to stamp your foot ground on the continent, family. So as you can see, family, we have the cleaning products. I'm gonna put this pram in for Amesh. Amesh. Put this pram in for Amesh while we go, family. Let's go. Let's go, Amesh. Let's go. Yes, Miss Jam Tours, have everything?
Yes.
You don't forget everything.
No, I haven't. Actually, I've forgotten everything. No, I have remembered everything.
We still have this saying that the stuff for duck.
Okay.
The stuff for dog.
Stuff a dog. Stuff yourself.
In Jamaica, we used to do these things to guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, family. So, yeah, guys, we're actually on our way to the apartment. We're actually here with our house manager. Sharon, you want to say hi?
Hi.
Sharon is shy. It's her first time on the camera, family.
She didn't even see that coming.
Yeah, but she's very,
Our house manager.
house manager, and
Sharon, umesikia title yako?
I don't think Miss Jam Tours would be comfortable because yesterday we went out for the entire day and came back at 9, 10, 11, 12. So she's the one who managed Amesh and managed the house.
And Hamish was fine.
So we can do this for you, family.
Yeah.
So we're heading to the apartment now to clean up this apartment for our Jamaican sister. So when she come, she see everything,
place, right?
Intact. So as I said, guys, this is this is Jam Tours Africa, and this is something that we always want to do. We always want to do it in the right way, and in a way that when people come, they get settled and they don't get scammed by local. I was just thinking about something and saying to myself that it's better to deal with a foreigner because a foreigner have the same like-minded like you. And I was thinking and saying to myself that, Africa is not where it should be, and for most local, they feel like that is it. But when a foreigner come to actually help the continent, develop the continent into a higher heights. And that's the reason why when a foreigner gets scammed, it's very bad, because the foreigner come with good intention and come back to actually build and bring their actually knowledge from the West into Africa for good development. So, when a local scam a foreigner, is like, you scam the growth and the development. It's like you're scamming yourself, because how is we gonna come and maybe create the jobs and everything for you guys, because no jobs is here, and we don't come to find a job. We come to actually build business and develop the continent, family. So let's go. You know what I mean? Let's go. Yeah. Yeah, family. So that is actually Quick Mart. It's like a supermarket. It was my first time, and it's very big. As you can see, it's very big upstairs and downstairs. So this is actually in the Ruaka area where our Jamaican sister will be staying. This is just like walking distance away. Amesh! Amesh! Mommy eating. Mommy eating, Amesh. Mommy eating. This is the one I get. It's good? Alright, put it in the bag. And let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Amesh. Yeah, this is yours, Amesh. This is yours, right? Alright, family. So let's go. Yeah, family. So we actually reach. And the Jamaica flag is there. Waving high. And we're just going up with Amesh to actually get this place clean for our Jamaican sister family. So we're at the apartment. This is a car park. It's a pretty small car park, but as you can see, cars are parked here. So let's go. We're on the first floor, and that's what we love. The first floor is easy to access, because even the furniture delivery person, them say they don't deliver past first floor. So if you're gonna get an apartment and you have the chance to pick first floor, choose first floor. So I'll have to lift Amesh up. Amesh, let's go up. Okay? We're going up. Yes? Let's go up. I'm gonna have to strap you down. Yes. Yeah, family. So we're actually at the apartment. And, we're about to clean. Miss John is the one with this mission. A mess. Tell us it's not a mess. A mess. It's not a mess. Yeah, family. So, what happened? You forget something? What you forget? Oh, sweetie, I guess it's not dirty. Let me see your dirty. Let me see. Yeah. And it's a new bowl. It's a new bowl. Yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah. Alright, family. So let's start the work and get this work done. So our Jamaican sister can come for this place spanking clean. Spick and span. Spick and span. Spick and span. Spanking clean. A mess. Is a mess? Eh? Alright, family. Like, share, and comment on the video. Let us know your thoughts. Let us know when you're coming. Jam Tours is here for you. Let's go. This is another entrance. going downstairs with you. Alright, family, so I'm going to leave Miss Jam Tours to finish up the cleaning while I go downstairs with Hamish and come back for the final touching, right?
Yeah.
Alright, Hamish, let's go. Let's go. Guy, look at him. The boy, get up. Eh? You cut up at the pram? Eh? Eh, boy? Alright, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yeah, family, so it's me and Amish down here. I'm just pushing him around to keep him comfortable while I wait on Miss Jam Tours them to finish up the cleaning and see. So Amish just ride him in round and round and round in a circle. Keep his company while I wait until Miss Jam Tours them finish, family. So like, share and comment on the video. Let us know your thoughts. Amish. 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 So you get a little light here. Lighting. You like this lighting? Huh? 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 Yeah, family, so Miss Jam Tours them still a clean. Amish wake up.
Look at the walls.
So you say it was very dirty?
Oh, you didn't see, especially this wall and that one.
Eh?
They were very dirty. The tiles have remains of cement.
Ah, so not to do.
Now
Eh.
they're sparkling clean.
Yeah.
But even slide on top.
What about outside there? Not the outside there?
So now because we are washing, she's washing like this.
Okay, so the room clean already, and see.
Yeah.
That's fine. This is how the room look clean like a whistle.
What? Because
Eh?
here especially.
Especially there.
Where you done scrubbing. You
Eh.
can see how the walls look.
And you can come back tomorrow. No need.
To be honest, now tomorrow, at least we done had a job
Eh.
on the walls and all that. So what I forgot, I should have carried an extra rag of like drying up the windows.
Ah.
But they're remaining mad.
So you can come back tomorrow to do that?
Yeah, that's an easy job now. Right now we've done the, look at the tiles, I was just scrubbing.
Oh, the
with
tile
this.
is spanking clean.
I
Right.
was scrubbing with this.
And you guys don't have no light in us with this, so
Yeah, that's what we
you know the light.
I poured bleach.
Eh.
I poured bleach and this, and then you have to
Rub it by
use
hand.
this to rub it down.
Eh.
And if that's tissue,
Eh.
tunanio, you know.
Yeah.
But
The kitchen do already.
yeah, the kitchen is done now. It's just like rinsing.
Rinsing,
So you've done
okay.
the first wash, like the last wash.
Alright.
I think I bet you last week. Go and drink water.
Alright.
Yeah, drink water. Yeah,
We'll
definitely.
do this and come back.
In a few weeks, we are coming.
That's even up on that
So
side.
yeah, it's washed already. It's just rinsing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
So we are coming in a few.
Alright.
Yeah.
Get on with this. Get him down.
Okay, do this break now.
Alright, family. We'll have to show you the end product tomorrow
Yeah.
when the lighting comes and we actually get in the stuff in the
Yeah, we'll
house.
come after we. You know now, I didn't want like the things to come and
Yeah.
things like the walls are dirty.
Ah,
the
dirty,
wardrobe.
yeah.
And also,
Kind of mess up the things them too when they come.
yeah. And I need to call the caretaker. I've noticed a few things. The instant is not working.
The what?
The instant heater, it's not producing hot water.
Eh?
And the wardrobe, the drawers,
Yeah.
they're not opening.
Ah,
Like they're,
the spring maybe.
yeah. So
Yeah, so we have to
So
go
I'll
another
tell the
time.
caretaker to bring an electrician
Yeah.
and a what? And a
And a
carpenter.
carpenter.
So that's the only part remaining. This door will deal with it tomorrow now that.
Yeah.
So otherwise the latter part is done.
Okay. Alright family, so you can see Miss Jam towards the one at work, after the old in Amish. You just wait.
Before we go in the comment section.
But that light is working there. It's only one light.
I think Alkaline should also work.
Yeah, let's try it and see. I thought you guys didn't have no light. You guys only have one light.
Actually, there are lots of things that
But you have to buy your own bulb anyways.
no, I'm saying, like, this one is not working, so I think we need a
The switch, the entire thing, and maybe the bulb spoil. But anyways, you have to make them come and organize these things.
Yeah. So I think
Yeah.
they come tomorrow.
Yeah.
I think that's enough lighting for us to finish up.
Yeah. Okay. Alright, family. Yeah?
People will come and say you're mistreating your pregnant wife. I'm the one who is willing to do this. Because I love clean, sparkling places.
Yeah.
And I prefer doing it myself, whether I'm pregnant or not. Because goodness is nearest to God. Yeah.
Okay. So.
Now let's finish and then we'll come.
Alright family, so Miss Jam tours and finishing up. So let's go. So, you know, as I said, family, Jam tours is here for you. Coming into the country, we can help you get set up, get stamp your foot on the ground. Alright family, let's go. Yeah family, so Miss Jam tours, so them finish. And you say it's a great exercise.
It was.
Yeah. It was?
Yes, but I know I'll sleep.
Yeah family, so we're actually leaving out now. Then tomorrow now they're gonna come and deliver these items, and then Miss Jam told us she's gonna do another small cleaning again.
Yeah,
after
today we've done a deep one, but
after the man them come and install and do what they need to do.
because I'm sure they might.
Because our Jamaican sister is actually all the way in Migori. She's not coming back until maybe next week when everything is set up. Then she can come and do her final touching family. So I'll show you what it looks like tomorrow. So continue watching the video. We are out. Let's go.